Hey YouTube, what it do, 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 YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube. Okay, today I'm back with another video, and yes, I'm gonna be doing something with my hair, showing you guys how to go from dry to juicy hair because my hair is dry as hell on natural hair or whatever like that. I'm gonna be showing you guys a super ooh, excuse me, super good protein treatment to do with you guys' hair because mine is dry as hell. And I was gonna show you guys some styles today, but I'm not gonna show y'all no styles on this dry, extremely hurt hair right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do a protein treatment that I do every once in a while just to waken my hair back up because honey, it's dry as hell right now. So, and you want to see a great protein treatment, just keep on watching because I got you, sis. I got you in your hair, okay? What's good, ladies and gents? Now I'm just playing, y'all. But right here, I'm just taking a little bit of my deep conditioner, throwing it in there with the egg. And I did use one egg if I didn't say that already. Well, duh, I ain't said that already. But anyway, I used one egg for this process simply because I felt like I didn't need 2 eggs or whatever like that. Just throw however much deep conditioner you think you may need. 3 scoops probably will be good, but I didn't have a spoon. Spoons were in the dishwasher or whatever like that. So just throw, you know, I did put a little bit too much in there, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I put a little bit too much deep conditioner in there, and I say that because I had, you know, quite a bit left over. Well, not quite a bit. It was just a little small amount left over or whatever like that. So yeah, and right now what I'm doing, I'm stirring up my, what is that? Now I'm just playing, but yeah, I'm stirring up the deep conditioner inside there. Make sure you get like a wispy type of, you know, consistency or whatever like that. Don't make it too watery or nothing like that. It kind of need to be pasty, you know what I'm saying? Pasty like that right there. Make it like that. I guess this batter looking, I don't know, because I don't cook, y'all, but whatever. Y'all get the point. So now you're going to make sure you don't want to do this on dry hair because I don't think, you know, I don't think it'll work like that. But anyway, you just need to dampen your hair and kind of make sure you dampen it and wet it up a little bit because, girl, you're going to need to do this on some juicy type hair even though your shit dry. Because mine was dry as hell. That's the point of the protein treatment. It's to help you get through this. Because my hair was dry as hell, y'all. Let me tell y'all, the tea on it. Nah, I'm just playing. Ain't no tea on it. But as you can see, my hair looked like kind of crazy and looked like it's matted and all that. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was, actually. But it was dry as hell, y'all. Y'all can see how dry it looked. So basically, I'm just combing my shit out, combing my naps out or whatever like that, combing them knots out and stuff. Girl, get them knots out your hair before you do this because, hey, you don't want to be pulling your hair out in the process, having all this stuff all over your hand. But anyway, yeah, just detangle your hair before you know, get into it. And make sure you finger detangle, or either use a wide tooth comb because we don't need all this falling out, you know, all this stuff falling out in our hand. And I don't know. We just don't need all that extra stuff. You don't need no rat tail comb trying to do this because, sis, you finna pull out all your hair. So, yeah, this can be a pretty messy process. So, I did put on a towel, and it was like a little towel, basically. So, girl, you basically, I don't know, you gonna need a big towel. This like a medium-sized towel that we have laying around sometimes. And I shouldn't have used that. I needed a big-ass towel, y'all, because this stuff is messy, like messy for real. So, yeah, I wasted a lot of stuff on me. But anyways, yeah, so I basically section my hair just because the simple fact that you're going to want to section your hair to make sure you get it on every piece of hair because, you know, what's the point of getting it on some of your hair, girl? It's not going to work for, you know, all of your hair. But anyway, I'm getting besides the point. Y'all, in this video, well, no, I was supposed to give y'all a natural hairstyles ideas type of video or whatever like that, but I couldn't even do that, girl, because my hair was just way too dry. I was like, they gonna come for me because basically I look trifling in that video. I made the intro, but I didn't, go along with the video because I was like, child. You wrong if you get him a video like this. And y'all see how messy I am with this. It's all on my ear and stuff. I did not even notice it until I went to rinse it out. I was like, oh my gosh. But anyways, I wasn't lying to y'all when I said it was messy now. Yeah, make sure you get in the front of your hair, everywhere, girl. You're going to need all of that. And this is my second time recording this voice over, y'all. So work with me. Because I was not planning on doing this right now. But anyways, yeah. Saturate that hair, girl. Get the front. Get all of that. Make sure you get all of it. Get that front, girl. Yeah. Don't forget your edges and stuff like that. They need love too. Don't forget about that. And the nape of your hair too, girl. All your hair need love. All of it need love. That's the point of this treatment. We need it. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. And make sure when y'all washing this stuff out, y'all rinse it with cool water. Because the hot water or warm water is just not going to do any good for it or nothing like that. It's going to be difficult to try to get the egg out and everything like that. So, yeah. I'm just giving y'all a few tips. Giving a few pointers and things. It did justice to my hair though, y'all. My curls were looking even better and I felt even better because I was like, girl, okay. Your curls look trifling. Your hair look trifling. It just looked dry, nasty, and everything. So, yeah, I put that stuff on my hair like it was a perm. Did y'all see that? But, yeah, don't come for me in this next clip because I'm finna, I didn't have a plastic cap or anything, so... when we don't have no plastic cap, y'all, we use what we got. We use the bags, the grocery bags. Your mama got a grocery bag closet or whatever, She got some grocery bags laying around. So this process was going to work either way, honey. Either way. Yes. And why am I dancing and stuff? Ugh, girl. Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all. So... I just rinsed it all out of my hair and this is the outcome, girl. Like, yes, that egg, I don't know, y'all gotta work quick with that egg because it was a little hard to get out of my hair on the slick. In a couple spots I had to go back and rinse it out. So make sure that when y'all are doing this, y'all are working quick with that egg and making sure everything is out of your hair. And again, if I didn't say it already, rinse your hair with cool water because the hot water is not going to do anything, or warm water, it's not going to do anything for you. It's really not going to rinse all the egg out as quick or anything. But here are my curls. I left them out. I left the stuff in for about 25 minutes, I think. 20, 25, maybe even 30. I don't know. But don't leave it in more than 30 minutes because... I can't recall but how much I left it in, but it wasn't an hour or anything like that because I know it had to be pretty quick working with that egg and everything. So yes, I wish y'all could see what it's really doing for me. This side I was playing with, so y'all really can't tell what it did to it or anything. But yes, now my curls look a whole lot better, whole lot juicier or whatever like that. And this is with no product at all in it, no product at all. So yeah, girl, if you do the if you use this protein treatment step that I just did, let me know, girl, and let me know how it worked for your hair because I want to know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and catch me with some more videos. And please, y'all can leave me recommendations on videos y'all want to see next because sometimes I run out of ideas. So yes, girl. See you in the next one. Bye. I just had to do that, y'all.